everyone and welcome back to La Stroga Bella. Today I'm going to be doing a witch room tour. In my witch room I have an old fireplace, and above the fireplace is where I like to keep all of my dried herbs and potions. And underneath the fireplace I've created a small shrine where I've placed a beautiful painting, some moon water, crystals, smudge sticks, and the witch broom that I made in one of my previous videos. I also have my collection of crystals, smudge sticks, incense sticks, and candles. Here is my bookshelf with some of the books and tarot cards that I've collected over the years. Here are the witch bells that I made in my previous video. I've hung them alongside my bookshelf. And these are my two kittens, Shadowfax and Marmalade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.